Auxera is a an application. We can use it sa tablet or phone or wearables. And actually, from the word itself, Auxera, from the word ox. So we are helping people. We intend to help and extend from like era. So it's an era for to help more people. The application to work, yun po ay we have a different feature, but the main feature is the one tap emergency button.
Mm.
So if the viewers are familiar sa golden hour, it is the hour po na we can critical po sa patient, na usually here in the Philippines, if we are being honest, an hour or even a second really matters sa patient. So yung mabilis po na pag-action sa emergency, we can actually help people by tapping our application, and then the help will go agad po sa kung saan po kailangan ng tulong.